So what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode of me trading $10 to $40, this is today's date is Wednesday, 18th February 2026. So guys, this was the trade I actually took today. So I'm going to be telling you guys the reason why I took this trade and how I managed this trade and how it went. Okay, let's get back to business. So after my top down analysis, because actually I did my top down analysis for taking this trade because I love taking my trade from the 5 minutes. All right, so that's it. So look at what happened there, guys. Look at what happened there. Look at the reason why I took this trade. Like when I took this trade, price was breaking structures to the downside. Take a look at this. This is the last break of structure to the downside here. This is the last break of structure. Let me change the color to black. So this is the last break of structure to the downside, and I was expecting to buy Euro USD. So when price broke structure to the downside and then traded up and then traded above this high here, but my problem was that there was no displacement here to ratify that buyers are here. Like there was no displacement. Like that was the main reason why I had double mind taking this trade. But the reason why I took this trade was that I went to the 3 minutes. I went to the 3 minutes. This was the 50 market structure here, and this small gap, this tiny gap, was the reason why I took this trade here. So I took this trade here because I wanted to trade with 0.02 lot size. All right, 0.02 lot size. But because this is actually a low probability trade, like whenever I want to see my 50 market structure, I always want to see a displacement which shows that buyers or sellers, depending on my bias for the day, is active. All right, so but I didn't see it here. So I took the first trade there, my first entry. I took my first entry 0.01 with a 10 pip lot. So I'm going to be risking. Look at it here, 10 pip lot, 10 pip 10 pip stop loss. So I took my first entry with 10 pip stop loss, and look how price was doing. Price went up, broke structure, went up, came down almost to my stop loss, went up again, gave me a break of structure, came down. Like I was actually seeing some crazy moves here, but I held on to my faith. So by the time price came back here again, I took my second entry 0.01 again, that making it 0.02 lot size in total. So and price balance this imbalance, I was looking for price to trade off from here, but look at this candle, look at this big imbalance favor gap here. So this bullish candle rebalanced it and then they dropped again, but at this point they were playing around on this other block here. So so from this other block they traded up again, went up. These were actually doing the New York session. They were trading up, and I was happy that they are doing something great. They are doing something good. And this was my first TP. That's TP1 for this my second position. So the price went up here. I took my first profit of $1, and I was actually waiting for price to give me my full TP here to make a total of $3 for the day. But like I did this thing because I was actually looking for price to close above this high here, but it swept liquidity and then went inside again, came down, went up again, swept liquidity and then continued dropping. By that time my second position is now on break even. As you can see right here, break even. So the second position was on break even, and that's how price traded lower for the day. Actually, you guys know that I use my I use my phone to do analysis. So Assuming I have a laptop, I would have been looking at the higher time frame uh, price actions, and then be looking at the lower time frame price action with my smartphone. But nevertheless, so let me quickly show you guys my MetaTrader 5, because this is actually a challenge of $10 to $40 so that I can buy my profit account, because the kind of work I do, for me to save up that amount, it will be crazy. So let me show you guys my MT5 balance and how it's going so far. So come on. So this is my MT5, guys, and then this is my balance. This is my current balance, $7. So I'm a negative of -$3 from $10 I funded. So that's it for today. And today is today is Wednesday, and let me see what Thursday and Friday is going to give me. Probably by grace of God, I'll be back to $20, or even achieve my goals in the space of these 2 days, or even get back to break even by the special grace of God. So let's see how the remaining days is going to be, and then I will keep on updating you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, so that if each time I drop another video like this again, you will see what I'm up to on the next episode. So guys, this is how I manage my trade. Okay, I will show you guys something. Look at the trade history here. If you check the trade history, you see that the first position gave me my risk, which is $1. So I actually made $1.13 on this trade, and then the second trade, which went out on break even, went out, and then later in the day I lost $1 to GBP. So actually my account was at $8, but I lost $1 to GBP, and then I'm back at $7. So let's see what tomorrow is gonna be like, and I'll keep on updating you guys on how it's going until I'll get to my aim, or to my goal of making $40, so I can get my 5K proper account. So let's go.